Meet Mr. Ronald, an industrialist. It was his goal to make sure there is no deficiency that affects productivity. He knew the importance of air compressors to boost factory functionality. So, he planned to bring some more compressors for his business. But, he didn't know the right place for such important industrial equipment. He consulted with his friends and heard about MasterAire, the leading industrial machine supplier in Canada. To get to know more, he browsed their website MasterAire.com and searched thoroughly. And he found the most features and efficiently working compressors that can serve his purposes well. Finally, he planned to make the order by calling +1 64736358872. Now he is experiencing improved productivity in his organization. Want to have that same? Follow the way.